Welcome back to another fabulous burp competition. We're just three babes from all over the world. This is our first international burp contest, all the way from Denmark. Oh, by the way, I'm Burps McGill. Yeah, Christina Walkinshaw. I'm not a reigning champion, but for some reason, it's just I compete with everyone. I'm like beat Bobby Flay of burping. So this is my show. But my competitor today, very excited to have her all the way from Denmark, Katie Barbaro.
Yeah, so honored to be here. Thank you so much. I'm also the burping bumble elf on OnlyFans and in my heart.
Oh, that's you? Okay, sorry, what's your OnlyFans again?
Burping bumble elf.
Burping bumble elf, I love it. I'm Burps McGill. And then, listen, I have to introduce you to our fabulous and very tough, she's got a discerning ear for the gas. Please make some noise for the lovely, all the way from Los Angeles, Jen Murphy.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. So happy to be here again. Such an honor every time I get to judge one of these contests. Oh. So Christina already knows the rules, and so do some of our listeners if they've already been watching. But for you, Katie, we'll explain again. And for all our new listeners that we're going to get on this, there's going to be 5 rounds. The first 2 are just burping, whatever you want to do. The third one, I want you to do some kind of like animal act out noise with your burp. You can choose whatever animal you want. The fourth one is, did you tell her about eating some food? Are we going to do that one or no?
I slipped into your DMs like 15 minutes ago. I was a little bit tardy, but if you have a snack to shove in your mouth on one round.
I can have my PA get me a snack.
Oh, you're good. Whoa.
Yeah, so round 4, you'll eat something. You'll shove some food in your mouth and then burp from that food that you eat. And then the final round, round 5, is
my boyfriend just said there's chocolate in the drawer.
That's hilarious.
He really has my back. I'm sorry. So excited.
It'll be a nice milky chocolate burp. And then round 5 is how many burps you can do in 15 seconds. Just fire them off like quick.
Oh, damn. Yeah. Wow. I'm loving this.
And what I'll be judging you on is length, resonance, volume, and originality / creativity. You know, you don't always have to be sitting in your chair. We've had some guests get up and, get very creative. And one final note, for some reason, our listeners we usually only do burps, but they're always asking for farts. It's not always part of our routine, but if you wanted to, if you felt so inclined, it would be very popular. A few of our followers would get really excited.
You know how it is. They always say
it comes up. It comes up.
If it comes
you never
up,
know.
It's that chocolate.
You never know. It's like some of these people, they just think that stand-up comedy is like the same as improv. Like we just can both do farts and burps, but sometimes I'm only classically trained in burps.
I think they figure if you're gassy on one end, you're going to be gassy on the other end too.
Yeah.
I have lost a burp and it's come out the other way, and that's something that is.
You swallow it?
That is science. I swallowed it too hard.
Okay, so before we get started with round 1, Katie, you're going to go first because our guest always goes first.
Wow.
When I say like go, you have time to take a drink or whatever. You don't have to like burp within the first. Take your time.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so this is my scorecard. I know it's very professional.
Oh,
I craft. Okay, round 1. Katie is up.
Awesome. I did just put on good burping pants for this. Like I was wearing something too tight and now they're a little bit looser. So I do think I'm going to take advantage of the invitation to just like, ooh, I really like to let the energy flow, really get it. Like, I'm going to take a drink. Oh. Okay. Okay, sometimes soda burps really backfire on me. And they just go so shallow. But I know it's kind of ricocheting.
This always happens to me. I think I get a little stage fright sometimes, and my first one might not be a home run. But I thought those were all really good.
I like
Thank
it.
you, Christina.
I like it. I'm gonna give you a 7.
Lucky 7.
7.
Party.
Party.
Yay!
Generally gets into the crafts and the arts and crafts of the scorecards. She's
My neighbor's gonna be like, why is she yelling pussy party at noon? What is that?
It's the best time to have a pussy party.
I like that you stood up and acted out, and I like that after the first burp, I could tell you were slightly disappointed, but you just kept going. So
Thank you for seeing me.
7 for you. Okay, round 1, Christina.
Okay, here we go. All right, let me just give myself a little swirl, a little swim. Like to swim. Swallow some extra air.
Ooh, I like it.
That.
I'm gonna give you a 6.
Oh crap!
I gotta redo my scorecard. It says the Cove is coming, but that's old.
The Cove has
Okay, Katie,
interest.
round 2.
Okay.
You're up.
Oh, great. I'm I'm gonna do a little bit of this, but all right. I'm just really gonna, sometimes I like to feel the air like entering me and then really touching like the depths of my soul.
That was a good one.
Those touched like the depths of my like my collarbone. Yeah.
I liked it. I'm gonna give you an 8.
Oh yeah.
Oh, fun. With a free spin, do I see?
That means you can let out one more big burp to up your.
Can I do it as like a surprise at some point? Like I want to do a surprise burp. Okay, cool.
Then you might get some bonus points.
Oh, that's a good one.
There you go.
All right. All right. So here we go.
Right.
I'm gonna have a little bit of. I did get a tiny juicy IPA. I just played tennis. It is a little early for me to have a beer, but it's a 4.2%. That's non-alcoholic for a Canadian. Okay.
It's gonna make all the difference.
It's funny because I go back and forth with thinking that pop burps are actually more powerful than beer burps. So here we go.
Ooh, that was a good one.
I felt it. Made my eyes water a little bit. You know when you burp through your nose and like you start to cry? Those are powerful.
yeah. Especially with those liquid ones.
I'm gonna give you a 9.
Yes.
And you get
in your face, Katie.
I'm sorry, your attitude just brought it down. Just kidding.
I knew it.
Keep it up, Christina.
Okay,
now round 3 is when we switch to the animal act out. So you can make a noise like an animal. You can physically be the animal. I don't need to tell you. You were zen on the last one, so.
I forget what I did last time. I gotta try to change it up.
Katie is you take a minute to get into character.
Yeah. Because I might need to do some stretches. Just like really do some. I do feel like your burping is like a very zen practice. You have to like really do some energy work to like move it.
You're right. It's just like yoga for the gut.
Yeah, exactly. It's like yoga from the inside out. It's okay. Yeah.
Katie's getting into it. I like it.
Goal of yoga. Okay. I'm really feeling monkey energy right now. We're doing like an ooh
If this wasn't a show for people with a fetish, I would say we're G-rated. Like this is practically for kids.
Yeah, exactly. That's all safe for
I like it.
That's me as a primate. Thank you.
Oh my god.
I was going to give you an 8, and then you kind of came back with a strong ending with more. I'm going to give you a 9.
What? So it's going to be a really low energy. Technically for this one, I'll give you a hint. That's what I'm going to do. A, it's Jen's favorite animal. I know everything about Jen. Also, I should be drinking milk for this one. Hint, hint. Okay. Are you ready?
I don't even know what my favorite animal is.
No. I'm gonna give myself a 2 on that. I'll see myself out. I know I'm lost.
I do love cows.
You should be producing milk on that one. That was fantastic.
Oh yeah, you're right. I should have been like moo.
Wasn't sure because I didn't know. That's what she does every time. Dina's decorations in your trunk.
Oh yeah.
I figured since there's a Santa here, it's just a fun time. Look how okay.
Burping elf is so cute.
Mm.
I like it. She needs some milk too.
Yeah. A chocolate burp. I've never experienced what this would be like. It's cool. Ooh.
Oh, look at you.
Okay. Well, that was a silky smooth, milky chocolate burp. That's the feeling of it was really velvety on my end.
Velvety. I like it.
That's really
What a
good.
sweet treat of a burp.
That was a really good burp. I'm gonna give you an 8. It was above average. It was very good.
Wow.
It was
Thank
very
you
Free
good.
spin again.
It was nice and crisp and clean. Seemed to flow out of you very easily, very natural. I didn't.
We're gonna eat some baby beets.
Oh,
Sealed. They're
Talk
ready
about
to eat
strategy.
hot or cold. Christina's gonna eat them cold. And if you've ever eaten a beet a la carte like this, you pull one out of the package. It literally looks like a dark testicle. All right, are you ready for this? They're just like sucking on balls. Like,
Wow.
right, recognize that, boys?
Graphic. Very graphic.
This is the first on the burp contest.
Wait, does this work? My blowjob pantomime is always backwards, and then nobody will talk to me. Okay. They probably should have cut it, eh? This is hard to eat.
No, this is
cutting
your
any
goal.
of this.
You're gonna have to eat that whole beet.
Is that just one in your mouth or 2?
Just one. Big man. Like you should. I don't think this should be for ages like 12 and up. I think a kid could choke on this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry to bring up children for a second time on our fetish show. Okay.
This is our kid friendly. This is the
Kid friendly. Okay.
family.
Here we go. I had a beat before the show too, so I'm 2 beats deep. Okay.
2 beats deep.
Oh my god.
It was the moment you
Mouth had to open really big. Whoa, that was a good one. That's your free spin, mate. Average hot family tips.
All right. Well, this is your final round. It's how many you do in 15 seconds. Let me get my timer.
Oh wow. Okay. So this is not about length. This is we're talking strategy going into this round.
Yeah, just the most burps you can do.
Yeah, like,
Yeah. Okay. Great.
or you do whatever you want.
I'm here for it. Yeah. I could be like, I'm throwing it. I don't care. I'm gonna do really high quality burps.
You're the professional, so
I am.
I'm gonna.
Very
You give me a thumbs up when you're ready, and I'll start the timer. Is she making noise?
I was like, is the computer frozen? Is this a vibe?
Okay.
I was thinking sometimes.
Tell me when you're ready, and I'll hit start.
1 second. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. I mean,
Beautiful encore.
gotta give you 9 because that was amazing.
Oh, thanks,
Really
guys.
just baffling, but beautiful. Mm.
Hey, everybody. One more time for our judge.
Woo.
Okay. It was. Oh.
Mm.
I'm the devil.
Yeah.
You're so cute.
I tried so hard.
That was really nice.
My face is red. Guys,
Sorry.
now that is a solid 10.
That was a
Yeah,
good
it was
one.
really
I felt
good.
that one in my
Listen,
gut.
this was really, really close, as it usually is, because we always have really fun guests that Christina finds.
Oh, sorry.
And our winner,
An after show.
Katie, by 2 points. Katie.
What?
Wow.
I didn't
Congratulations.
I mean, I'm just here because I love the burps, and man, oh man, what a gas to exchange air with you ladies.
And I think on the comments we'll throw up. Sorry, I shouldn't use that phrase here.
We're gonna throw up later. After this, we're both gonna go throw up, and you don't get to watch it. You just don't.
We'll throw up Venmos and PayPal. So if you guys want more burping contests and you want to support us, feel free to donate to the cause, to the burps.
Yes.
So we can keep buying Beets to bring you the best of gas.
And every burp is just so unique. So subscribe to both of our OnlyFans if you really want your quality, well-rounded burp content coming to you. I'm
exactly.
Burping.
We're all family here on the burp in the burp world.
This was so much fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.